stay tuned for next week on how to get this look. Thank you for coming back. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Hey you guys, it's Storm and I'm back with another how-to tutorial. Today we are doing a weave. This is the final result and stay tuned on how to do this. Okay, so this is the braid pattern I chose to do. It was a freestyle. I just wanted something simple for you guys to be able to mock. Alright, so you see the back, alright, blah blah blah. So now I'm sewing, and as you can see, it looks like the track is not on her braid, and that's because I actually put it under. I sewed right under her braids. I didn't want it bulky. As you can see, I'm like coming across, and I'm going under, boop, under. I didn't want her to have a huge hump in the back of her head. So just be considerate when you're sewing and you know something is going to be bumpy. Okay, and here we go. So I'm just sewing faster. I am placing them straight in the back of her head and sewing across, making it as neat as possible. Here's a closer view. So far, so good. It's looking good. I'm happy with what I see. Okay, now I'm just going to add 2 to 3 tracks on this braid going across, and just fill it in till I can't anymore. So as you can see, I'm adding the tracks that I told you I was just about to add, and yeah, sew until you can't sew no more. And it looks like there's a bit of a hump, so as you can see, I'm gonna sew a little bit more, and I'm gonna grab my little tool and dab that down, bamboo, and she will be flat. So now, this is what I meant when I said sew until you can't sew no more, period, poo. And then you just slayed her, period. Thank you guys for coming today, and like I said, this is the final result. If you guys like this, like and subscribe, and don't forget to share. See you guys next time, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification. Catch me again tomorrow from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m.